Hello and welcome everyone to Airlock Academy. My name is Fabio and I'm a security support engineer at Airlock. In this video I'm going to show you how to update an Airlock gateway failover cluster without downtime. During the following screencast I'm going to demonstrate the mentioned update and show you some additional troubleshooting steps you can take should an update unexpectedly fail. We recommend taking a snapshot of the gateways before the update. In a failover cluster, we first have to update the passive node. The first step is to navigate the system setup and then updates. Here we see the currently installed version at the top and the recommended update procedure for a cluster at the bottom. Now we have to download the update from the text zone. We can do this by following the link. In the text zone, we now select the version we want to update to. Then we select the Airlock update file. Once the download has finished, move back to the gateway. Click on Upload and select the just downloaded file. The upload will take a few moments. After the upload has finished, we connect to the gateway over SSH as the user menu. The menu user has the same password as the root user. Here we now see the admin menu, where we select number 2, Update. In the update menu we have the options to apply the update or to uninstall an already installed update. Since we want to update, we select number 1, Apply Update. The gateway now verifies if the update file is OK and warns us that the restart will be required. The installation will start after we confirm that we want to continue. The path to the update log file is shown here. We will take a look at it later in the video. The gateway will reboot after we confirm the prompt. After the restart, we now see that the gateway was updated to the new version. Now we have to update the second gateway. We first have to switch the not yet updated gateway into offline mode. Navigate to System Setup and then System Admin. Here we can take the system offline. The state of the already updated gateway should switch to active after a few seconds. Now we want to check if it handles requests correctly by connecting to a virtual host. If it does, we can update the second gateway. Steps are the same as with the first one. After we updated the second gateway, we have to navigate to System Setup, then System Admin on the freshly updated system and set it online again. The state should now switch to passive. We have successfully updated our failover cluster if it does. We will now take a look at the update log file. It can be found here. 11.8 stands for the version we updated to. In it, we see what happened during the update, from which services we stopped, to the resolved dependencies, and the package we altered during the update. And if the update unexpectedly failed, the log file shows exactly why. If the update fails, don't forget to save the log file before you revert to a snapshot. This video explained how to update a cluster where full installation was not required. Please check out this TechZone article if you have to perform a cluster update with the full installation.